Hi everyone, I'm Chantelle Nicholson, Chef Patron of Treadwell's in London, and today I'll be showing you how to make a wonderful brunch recipe, perfect for all of the family. I'll be making ricotta pancakes with a fresh strawberry compote and a homemade chocolate hazelnut spread. Today I'm using agave syrup instead of white refined sugar, as it has multiple health benefits, including a lower glycemic index. So we're going to start by making the chocolate hazelnut spread, which consists of 3 main ingredients: toasted hazelnuts, full of healthy fats, cocoa powder, great for antioxidant properties, so using that instead of chocolate as it's got a richer flavour and also less sugar, and a little bit of agave for sweetening. So all the ingredients pop into a blender and blend until almost smooth. So we'll start with the hazelnuts and the cocoa, touch of agave. Agave syrup has 60 calories per tablespoon, but because it's 1.5 times sweeter than sugar or honey, you don't need to use as much. A little bit of water and a pinch of salt. So you'll need to add a little bit more water as you continue to blend whilst it thickens. And here's our homemade chocolate hazelnut spread. Next up, onto the strawberries. So for the fresh strawberry compote, we're relying on 2 ingredients only: strawberries and limes. There's enough natural sugar in the fruit to be able to give it the sweetness we need for the dish. So we're just going to chop the strawberries up into quarters. Grate some zest over them and squeeze some lime juice for them to marinate in. So we're going to gently mix these together and then just allow them to sit to marinate slightly whilst we make the pancakes. So these pancakes are made using ricotta, which makes them rich and creamy whilst keeping the fat content as low as possible. So we're going to separate the eggs and whisk the whites till they're nice and fluffy. So using the hand beater, we're just going to beat the eggs until they get nice and stiff. So we're going to add the ricotta into the yolk. Whisk it till it's nice and smooth. Add the flour, baking powder and a touch of milk. So we're going to fold the egg whites into the egg yolk and ricotta mix. This makes for a really nice, light and fluffy batter. So we've got the pan on a moderately high heat. We're going to add a touch of butter and then spoonfuls of the batter. The pancakes take a couple of minutes to cook each side, and when you start to see the little bubbles forming on the top, it's time to flip them over. And when they're spongy to the touch, they're ready to take out. We've now got everything ready to plate up. And here we have it, ricotta pancakes with a fresh strawberry compote and homemade chocolate hazelnut spread. Thank you so much for watching. You can find loads more delicious and healthy recipes on greatbritishchefs.com and the online Vitality magazine.